Hi, I'm Jeff Hickman. I went solar through SolarMax, and we're saving well over, during the summer, well over $300 a month. We got our solar put in, if I remember right, it was December of this past year. They're great. I haven't had to do anything for them, and I just once a month look up on the internet and see what my electric bill was. As far as my expectation when I went solar, I was hoping I'd be free, and pretty close. I have to pay the meter charge, which everybody does, I guess. So that $30 is well worth it. Yes, it's a wonderful thing. I would highly recommend SolarMax to anybody, friends, family, neighbors. They were fantastic to work with. They were very respectful of our property when they were putting them on. Anything they had to do inside, which was just going into the attic to do the wiring, they were very good, and they had cleaned up really well. Real happy with the whole thing. I believe it took about a day and a half to install, and then we just had to wait to get the Duke out to hook us up to the grid, and that took a little while, but it was worth it. As far as review, I'd give them 5 stars. I'd give them the whole sky if I could, but 5 is all that they'll let me do. Yeah, as far as Duke Energy, the sun comes up and the bills come down.